Hey everyone, Parija here on Mobile Munch. Today, we are diving into the world of foldable phones with the Vivo X Fold3 Pro. This cutting-edge device boasts a revolutionary design and powerful specs, making it a serious contender in the foldable market. Unleash a cinematic experience. Unfold the X Fold3 Pro, and you're greeted by a stunning 8.03-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This expansive canvas is perfect for watching movies, playing games, or multitasking with ease. Both the main display and the 6.53-inch cover display boast HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and a peak brightness of 4500 nits, ensuring an incredible viewing experience indoors or out. The phone utilizes a special carbon fiber hinge that feels smooth and inspires confidence when unfolding the device. Peak performance under the fold. The X Fold3 Pro is a powerhouse thanks to the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This processor, coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage, delivers blazing fast performance for even the most demanding tasks. Whether you're editing videos, running intensive games, or multitasking between apps, the X Fold3 Pro can handle it all with ease. It's worth noting that there's no option for expandable storage via microSD card, so choose your storage option wisely. Capture stunning photos in any situation. The Vivo X Fold3 Pro boasts a versatile triple-camera system co-engineered with ZEISS optics. The 50MP main sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization, captures sharp and detailed photos in all lighting conditions. A 64MP periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom allows you to get closer to the action, while a 50MP ultrawide sensor lets you capture expansive landscapes and group shots. The 32MP front-facing camera and a 32MP under-display camera on the cover display ensure you're always selfie-ready. All-day battery life and speedy charging. The X Fold3 Pro packs a hefty 5700 mAh battery, which should provide enough power to last you through a full day on a single charge with moderate usage. But when you do need to top up, the 100W wired charging technology gets you back up and running in a flash. Vivo claims the phone can reach 100% charge in just 31 minutes. The phone also supports 50W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, making it a great option for keeping your other devices powered up as well. A step ahead in foldable technology. The Vivo X Fold3 Pro is a remarkable feat of engineering, offering a large, immersive display when unfolded and a compact design when folded. The powerful processor, versatile camera system, and long-lasting battery life with super-fast charging make it a compelling option for users who want the latest and greatest in foldable technology. However, the lack of expandable storage and a slightly hefty price tag might be deal-breakers for some. So, that's a look at the Vivo X Fold3 Pro. Do you think foldable phones are the future? Let me know in the comments below what features are most important to you in a foldable phone. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more tech reviews.